guys, guess what? Jaclyn Hill is back. It's back, and listen, I purchased lipsticks from this girl before, okay? I purchased 2. I only have 1 right here because honestly, 1 is in my purse. I wear the lipsticks. I've never had a problem. I never broke out. I never, you know, like putting on my Fenty, what is this? Mocha Mami bronzer. But anyway, I never broke out. I never had a problem. So I thought, you know what? She's coming out with something else. And I even got a refund, girl. Listen, when she announced that she was getting a refund, I swear, as I was watching the video, the refund came through. So I was kind of like, okay, well, I got 2 free good lipsticks. Look, I promise you, let me show you. I use this lipstick and I haven't had any problems. Hold on, it's gonna focus. I haven't had any problems. There's nothing in my lipstick, nothing. I had lost quite a few subscribers because I was using Jaclyn Hill lipstick, and it's like, really, y'all that mad? No, it worked. I didn't have any reactions or anything. Why are you guys so mad at me? But people left me. Hope you guys don't leave me for you know, buying again. But listen, I believe that people are to be given a second chance. And you know what I like the most about Jaclyn is at least she's following her dream. And isn't that what we try to teach the kids? To follow your dreams. Everybody makes mistakes, but follow your dreams and don't let anybody tell you not to do something or whatever the case may be. Isn't that what we try to preach out here these days? Positivity and all that kind of good stuff, motivation, inspiration, blah blah blah. I mean, come on, let's let the girl have her day. And you know, I'm not saying you don't have to support if you don't want to, but you know, I wanted to, so I did it. And maybe after this we're gonna see, because I didn't even open this box, and because I wanted to be a real full experience on camera so you can see what I experienced. And I want to know if this is really for dark skin, because she made one dedicated to medium to dark skin people like myself. I'm not wearing any lashes today. I just said I'm doing a really minimal look because I have a lunch meeting with a couple of people. Okay, so let's open this box. But it has like Jaclyn, the J's all over it on the tape, which is cool. So I have a knife, honey, and I did the thing. I did it. So here is the box. Jaclyn. All right. I don't know why, but I'm a little bit excited, y'all. Excuse me. I know Jake say Jaclyn Hill's a liar, blah blah blah, but I wonder if you guys knew how many cosmetic companies and people lie all day on camera. She's just a bad one. Not saying you should support that kind of behavior, but oh, before I open the box. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Oh, it's so bright. It's white. It has this Jaclyn on the front. It says Accent Light Duo. Accent Light, you can't see it. And I bought the Flair one. Yeah, so it says Accent Bundle Flair. I bought a bundle? I guess I bought a bundle. I didn't know that. Okay, so this looks like a brush. It just says Jaclyn. And then it says Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter brush. The J02. Let's see. Packaging. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, okay. This brush feels kind of cheapy for all that packaging. I feel like the packaging costs more than the brush. But let's actually get it out and feel the fibers and stuff. But right now, off the bat, I felt like people would have complained if it just came in this. The packaging is kind of beefy for such a little cheapy brush. Feels really cheapy, I have to be honest. Probably like a BH Cosmetics brush. All right, so let's see here. But what I like about it is it's small. Oh, you can concentrate on smaller areas. Okay, let me take the little sleeve off. Do I push it up or down? Oh, down. Oh, that's so pretty. Look, it's like see-through with it's like see-through plastic with this glitter. You know, she loves the glitter and the bling, and it just says Jaclyn here. And it's like a little, I don't know. Oh no, I'll take it back. This is not a cheap brush. I take it back. It felt cheap in the package. This is nice. This is really nice. Hold on, let me see if you can see. Really, really nice. Okay, so I'm excited again. All right, so this is what I think. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, wait, y'all, wait. This better be good, Jaclyn. So more with that V. She has that little V on the side of her packages, I guess, so you can pull it out the box. But look how beautiful, you guys. This is for your vanity. This is, you know what? Jaclyn is making pieces for your vanity. This is not for you to just throw in a drawer. Mine is kind of scratched a little bit. You have some little scratches on it. Oh, that sucks. But it looks like a block of frosted ice, frozen ice. It's really, really nice. See if you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Well, I guess you can't. And it's silver, so white and silver. The packaging feels like a really hard, it's a very heavy, hard plastic. I think what's making this so heavy is this like really heavy plastic along with the mirror inside. But this is what it looks like on the inside. You have those 4 colors, says Jaclyn down the side, and the 4 colors are glow up, made you look, expose, and turned on. And again, this is the Flair palette. It's supposed to be for darker skin. Let me see. I see right now why they did the brush the way that they did, because it looks like it's going to be good for concentrating in like little areas and stuff like that. But I want to see how much I paid for this, because I honestly don't remember. Do I think it's worth $63? Because of how they're doing makeup today, I'm gonna say, just based off packaging and getting a brush with it, yes, I would say it is worth $63. This brush does not feel like BH Cosmetics like I said it did a few minutes ago. I apologize, girl. This is a nice brush. This color is Glow Up. I'm gonna swatch them. This is Glow Up right here, like a champagne-y color. This is Made You Look, more of like a golden color. This is Exposure, really close to my complexion. And then this one is Turned On. That's nice. Anyway, I don't know which color to choose, you guys. So I'm wearing navy blue today. Which color? I think I'm gonna go in with this one, which is the first one that we swatched, Glow Up. Glow Up, okay, which is this one. This thing is nice. I really like this palette, you guys, already. I mean, the colors feel like really nice, and I didn't even have to dig in that much. And look how it came back on my finger. Really nice, really, really nice. Because I actually originally swatched it with this finger, but when I just went over it again, I got this off of here, and look, it's still there. So this is really nice. Okay, Jaclyn. Okay, we hear you. You doing your thing. You're doing your thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into Glow Up with the JO2 brush. Just go in here really light, and we'll see what we get for it being really light. That's how much. You can't really, okay, see, really light. It came off really easy. It is a little bit dusty. Not bad though. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Wow. Oh wow, yeah, there's pigment there. It's to the point where I feel like I have to take some off. Go into this palette with a very light hand. And I'm gonna try and see if I have to dip again. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta dip again. But I'm just tapping it like this, look. That's it, let's see what comes out. My brush is shedding a little bit. See, that's all you need is a tap. You see that? That's all you need is a tap. My brush was shedding there for a second, but that's all you need was a tap, girl. That is nice. Yes, Jaclyn. Yes, I like it. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go into that turn on color, and I'm gonna go in with one of these little small detail brushes, because I'm gonna put it in my inner corner, being that my eyeshadow kind of looks like this color. This one right here. Oh, I dug my finger into Glow Up. Okay, I fixed it. Okay, so I'm gonna just tap again. I just tapped it already, but I just basically tapped it like 1 and then 2, okay? And I'm gonna dust it off just a little bit, and we're gonna go into the inner corner. Wow. That is nice. Now, we're gonna see if I'm allergic to this, because I get allergic to certain products this color. Like, I can't really use my Jaclyn Hill palette because I'm allergic to these colors like this. I don't know what pigment's in it, but I can't use it. So that's the inner corners with turned on. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I want to bring it up a little bit. Oops, sorry. I want to bring it up into my eye look. Brushes, it looks, I'm going to show you what I think I could do with this brush. So I'm going to go back into Glow Up, which is this color here, okay? And I'm just going to tap, oh no, not with this, sorry. Well, yeah, I will use that. I'll use this. Go into Glow Up, I'm going to tap it 1 time like that, and then I want it more extreme, so I tapped it 2 more times. Yes. That's even too extreme. All right, so now I'm gonna go up the bridge of my nose. Just gonna tap it like this. Dust it off a little bit. Here, I don't like it to be too extreme, just really light like that. See how it's kind of light? And then I'm gonna go over my brow bone with it, same brush, into Glow Up, tap it twice. Tap it twice more. But I like this brush because this is what I was gonna say. It fits in these little, oh, my forehead, girl. You know I got to be blinging on the forehead, like, you know, here in Miami, we like to bling, okay? We like to bling in Miami. I don't know about you guys, but we love a good bling down here. So, there we go. Look how beautiful that is. Yes. Okay, listen. You guys are going to be mad at me again. Final verdict is I absolutely love this palette, okay? Period. On period. Period. Poo. Love this palette. Love the brush. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is amazing. But anyway, you guys, 63 bucks. I think it was worth it. The brush does, I thought the brush was whack because it felt really light, but then when I took it out and the hairs went together, I was like, oh no, the hairs are really good on this brush. This part is really kind of flimsy, but the hairs on this brush, the fact that it's so small and it just goes right there, it's like right there and then right here and then all just, it just hits all your points. The only thing you would need is a little tiny brush if you want to get in the inner corner, which I did. But other than that, I really love this. Like I said before, this is the Flair palette. It was meant for medium to dark skin. I did purchase her lipstick and really enjoyed that too. As far as all the personal things with Jaclyn Hill, at the end of the day, there are some cosmetic companies that we don't know anything about the owner. We don't know who they are. We don't know how they feel. We don't know how much they lie, how much they don't lie. We don't know anything, and we know there's a lot of cosmetic companies with a lot of false claims. So it looks like I ate a glazed donut. Thanks, Jaclyn. But anyway, you know, just okay, if you like a product, buy it. If you don't like it, don't buy it. If you don't like the person and you don't want to support them, don't support them. But don't unsubscribe because I did, okay? Okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be keeping my Jaclyn Hill palette. I really enjoy it. This brush and this palette will be a daily use. So you'll see it again in future videos. But anyway, have an amazing day. Let me get on to my lunch, my business lunch. All right, have a good day. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. Comment. Bye-bye.